This video is an installation of a CV axle on a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4. This is a front CV axle. They go out pretty often, especially if you have a lift. So this is the easiest way that I found to install it. I couldn't get my upper ball joint off, so what was even easier was to completely take off the upper control arm. Now the ball joint is still connected, so I will not have to mess with that later. But now it is very easy to slide the CV axle all the way through, and then you can see that there's plenty of space to slide the CV axle onto the diff. This is the easiest way that I found. It may not have to be this difficult for everybody. I've seen videos where they just slide in, but for some reason mine really didn't want to come out. So hope this helps with a CV axle install. I also need to know if there's a way to run two-wheel drive without any CV axles at all. I did have a two-wheel drive truck that was hollow at the hub, and I'm very curious if I can just run two-wheel drive on this 4x4, because that will save me a lot of time and money with CV axles since they go out so often. If anybody knows that, could you please let me know? Thank you, and thanks for watching.